Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to draw this offset bracket. So instructions over here say locate all center points before beginning to draw circles and arcs. And yes, we are going to add dimensions as well. So once in a while you will find there are typos in dimensions, and that was the case in this one, because when you add all the numbers they don't add up. So first of all, we are going to look for the best starting point, and over here the center, two centers of the circle are the most logical starting point, and there is an offset of 1.68 vertical offset between those, and then there are centers for these arcs marked over here, and on the opposite end it's a mirror on the other side, but kind of reversed mirror, and the radius for that arc is 2.87, and radius for the smaller one is 0.63, and radius for this arc is 1.12, and diameter for the circle, both circles, is 1. So let's go to AutoCAD and get started. So this is the template that has all the layers. Go to model space and first start with the center layer. So draw a vertical line, and you can start at 10,10 and then go upward, and that size really doesn't matter, but if you have to, then you can draw it 3 units. From that line there is an offset 1.75, and now one horizontal line and then another offset between, vertical offset is 1.68, and then from this point you want 7.12, you can have another offset 7.12, go to the object layer and select the circle with center diameter and draw a circle with diameter 1. Draw another line 1.75, and draw another circle diameter 1. You can match properties with center to center, and now this is now there is another circle around it with radius 1.12. Now you can draw an arc, center, start, end arc. So this is the center of that arc, this is the start, and then end you kind of want to go beyond this line, and then you're going to edit that later, trim that later, and then using the same arc, so that's the center, and this is the start, the quadrant of the bigger circle, and then you go beyond this vertical line, and again the same on the opposite side. And then the smaller one. Now you want to draw a line from the tangent point. So over here you want to hold shift and right click and then get tangent of this, and then you want the same thing, hold shift, right click and then tangent. So that's why you needed extra curve beyond that, and then you can trim it. Now offset that 2.24 and trim extra pieces. Now you will notice that you have extra part of that circle that you need to trim to just keep only the arc part. So now you're going to go to paper space, the layout, double click inside and then zoom extend. Over here we are going to give it scale 1 to 2, looks good. So lock the viewport, double click outside of the viewport and go to dimension layer and then add the main dimensions from center of this circle to the center of that circle, and let's adjust the dim style. So we need 2 decimals, primary units, and over here precision 2 decimals. So that's 10.62. Then you have the radius for all the arcs. So that completes the dimension. Update the title block. That completes the drawing. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.